Welcome to Florence. So the Interreg Europe program is helping regions to cooperate and exchange good practices on a certain topic. Here today we have united the projects that work on energy efficiency in buildings. Why fund this type of projects? The Interreg projects are there to help the regions shape the policy instruments so that they can later influence their operational programs. Essentially, Interreg Europe is a preparatory program for the programming of the structural funds.
Buildings account for 40% of Europe's energy consumption and 36% of its greenhouse gas emissions. Reducing the energy intensity of the sector will be essential for meeting Europe's long-term energy targets. Luckily, regions have been working already to find solutions to the energy performance of buildings, and a number of good practices are available. A good practice is a policy instrument or an activity that has already been proven in a region. So it could be, for example, an investment fund to fund renovation of buildings. If this is proven to be successful, another region may choose to replicate that themselves in their own region.
Energy efficiency in buildings is a difficult topic because the investments are long-term. The results, you achieve it in 20-25 years, but we need to invest. The sooner, the better. FinerPol has shown us the importance of a financial instrument. We want to invite the regions to support the energy efficiency in building using different financial models. Grants has been used until the moment, but now we need to mix with other financial solutions. And we could consider to introduce either loans or guarantees.
The main challenge for behavioral change in the Social Green Project is that it's just that, it's behavioral change. And energy is something invisible, we don't see it being consumed. It takes a long time for people to learn and actually change their everyday routines. To overcome these challenges, the Social Green Project is doing some really interesting things. One of our partners in Croatia, in fact, when they retrofit a building, they make it mandatory for all residents in that building to go through a training program. And it's something that any municipality or region should consider when they're renovating a building.
The objective of the CLEAN project is to increase energy efficiency by 4% in housing and public infrastructure by using technology, open innovation and low carbon policy instruments. To date, we have identified around 30 good practices, and we are going to start now developing regional action plans. In the CLEAN project, we are using a tool that we have developed in RENOVATION. It's called Team Worker, and this is a project collaboration tool to engage with all the people that are participating in the CLEAN project.
In today's situation, facing climate change with the societal challenges that we have, the only way forward is together, by cooperating, by exchanging, by using synergies, by using the funds and the means and the resources that are there in an efficient way. As one participant said, what works elsewhere, let's just imitate it unabashedly.